I gotta put the kids to sleep. Hey guys, go to sleep. I don't want to see you guys up, okay? Damn kids.
Do we like?
Nice and toasty. You know, I'm gonna make sure they're still.
Can I? That's right. Like, oh my god!
What is he doing? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What was he doing?
What is that?
What is what? I'm stuck in here. Wait!
What is
Wait!